Okay, we're looking at problem 1 from lesson 4-6, identifying functions using mapping diagrams. It says, identify the domain and range of each relation. Represent the relation with a mapping diagram. Is the relation a function? So here are my points. I have negative 2 and 0.5, 0 and 2.5, 4 and 6.5, and 5 and 2.5. So the domain are always my first number. So I have negative 2, 0, 4, and 5. Negative 2, 0, 4, and 5. The range of my last number, so it would be 0.5, 2.5, 6.5, and 2.5. 0.5, 2.5, and 6.5. We don't have to repeat the 2.5, right? And so I map them. So negative 2 goes to 0.5. 0 goes to 2.5. 4 goes to 6.5. And 5 goes to 2.5. So it says each domain value is mapped to only one range value. So the relation is a function. Okay? So here's the next one. We have 6, 5, 4, 6, 4, 3, 6, 4, and 4, 8. So my domain is 6, 4, don't need to write 6 again, and 5. So 6, 5, and 6. Sorry, 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, and 6. My range would be 5, 3, 4, and 8. And they did it in numerical order. So it's 3, 4, 5, and 8. And so again, I have 4 goes to 3, 5 goes to 8. 6 goes to 4, and 6 goes to 5. Well, I can't have that, so the domain is mapped to, the domain value 6 is mapped to two range values, so the range is not a function. So let's do the guided now. It says, identify the domain and the range of each relation. Represent the domain with a mapping diagram. Is the relation a function? Let me make this a little smaller. Okay, so for the first one, my domain would be 4.2, 5, and 7. Don't need to repeat the 4.2, right? And my range would be 1.5, 2.2, 7, and 0. Sorry. So then if I mapped it, I have 4.5, oops, 4.2, excuse me, 5, and 7. That's my domain. My range is 1.5, 2.2, 7, and 0 goes up top, right? So 4.5 goes to 1.5. 5 goes to 2.2. 7 goes to, oops, did I miss one? I missed 4.8. Oh, that's not 7. That's supposed to be 4.8. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Not 7, but 4.8. So 7 goes to 4.8. And 4.2, which is this one here, goes to 0. So my domain of 4.2 goes to 0 and 1.5. So that means that it is not a function. It's not going to exactly one value. All right, so let's do the next one. So my domain is negative 1, negative 2, 4, and 7. My range is 1, 2, negative 4, and negative 7. So if I map it, my domain, I have negative 1, negative 2, 4, and 7. And I put it in a little box. My range is 1, oops, let's put in numerical order, so we do negative 7, negative 4, 1, and 2. Put in my little circle. So negative 1 goes to 1. Negative 2 goes to 4. No, sorry, negative 2 goes to 2. Oops. 4 goes to negative 4. And 7 goes to negative 7. So each domain goes to exactly one range value. So this one is a function. And I hope that this helps.